Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is May the 30th and I'm using my new Pip Trigger trading system. This one uses moving averages on the top and momentum indicators along with this awesome oscillator, and the indicators down at the bottom is the driving force for the super signal indicator. Please keep in mind that the super signal indicator comes in a different package called the Easy Trader. If you look right below this video, you will get all that information and what is in each of the 4 different packages. Now you will get a pop-up box like this and an audio alert when the hull moving averages changes from blue to red or red to blue. It'll suggest the trend direction has changed either up or down. So in other words, from this point right here we're buying, and from this point we're selling. So let's see now. Every morning, 6 o'clock, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments along with my daily trade plan. Here is the daily trade plan running in real time. Gone are the days where I used to drill down all the different time frames trying to decide if the trend is up or down. This tells me immediately the different time frames whether it's up or down. Makes trading much easier. If you are trading without a daily trade plan, well, that's one of the main reasons why you are losing. You must have some kind of a daily trade plan. If you have any questions, quite simple. All you got to do is Skype me. So once I know I want to be buying or selling according to the daily trade plan, I manually put in this white arrow. You can make it any size or any color. You just click on this tab and arrow up, and away it goes. Quite simple. I personally don't really need to see this arrow because I can tell just by looking at the charts that the market is going up. It's not going down. So let's see now. Let's see where I did get in on this trade. I took all these trades before 7 a.m. and I closed them out around 9:15. So a few hours of work and I'm done trading, and it is not even 9:30 a.m. It's 9:24 actually, and the opening bell is coming within about 5 minutes from now. So if you want to see where you get in the trades in the account history, you're just going to click on the pair that you want, left click, hold it down and drag and drop it up, and this is the way the market moves. I bought it, that's why it's blue in here since I bought it. If you sell it, it'll be red. Went down a bit, hooked around and continued up. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here at this cursor, being happy. Looks like with about 22 pips. That ended up paying out $143. Okay, moving on to the next trade. The pound pairs, all 3 of them here. I bought them. Bought everything except for crude oil. So on this pound CAD, same situation. From the daily trade plan, there's the white arrow. Everything looked good for going up. I knew it was going to go up with 95% certainty. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out being happy. Looks like with about 21 pips, and those 21 pips paid out $154. Moving along to the next trade, which is the pound Swiss. Another one I wanted to be buying. Let's see. Drag and drop this up. Let's see where I got in at. And looks like it just starting on its way up. It can break the top and keep going, but Nobody knows for sure, but the pound is almost at, well, it is right now 80%. That's a bus driver. Lots of momentum for going up. Got in at that cursor and I closed it out being happy with looks like about 14 pips. And those 14 pips paid $155. Moving on to the next trade, gold. Now gold pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 15.6. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. I walked away from the computer and I was up more so, but that's the way life goes. Hard to manage bunch of trades at the same time. Got in at this cursor. If I closed out up here, it would be about 70. But as I mentioned, 15. Let's just round it. Well, 15's close enough. And that ended up paying out $156. Moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. So let's drag and drop this up. I want it to be buying. It's very clear. Did qualify for a great way to trade. If I would have closed it out up here, I would have made approximately double what you see down there. But I took the money divided by 20 and the calculator says it's approximately 31 ticks. So let's see, 31, there it is right there. You remove the last two digits. So 31 ticks ended up paying out $618. Moving on to the last trade, which is crude oil. Now on this crude oil, wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow, the charts, everything was saying going down. Should have stayed in the trade for more. But anyhow, I know I got well over 200 pips and ticks, so another happy day of trading. Drag and drop this up. As I mentioned, if I stayed in the trade, I would be up probably about $2,000 right now. I'm only guessing. This pays $10, so yep, be very close to 2,000. That's 195. Now looking at the money, this should be 118. There it is right there, 118 ticks, and that ended up paying out $1,180. So another great day of trading using my pip trigger. I just added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be over 200. Grand total came to 221 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $2,407. So if your system's not producing like my pip trigger, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions at all, or if you want to buy, all you got to do is Skype me. Now if you want to get my contact information, all you have to do is look right below this video and you will get a lot more information. Like I mentioned, if you look right below the video, you will see this button right here that says show more. All you got to do is click on it and then scroll down. Now as I mentioned, I do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link. We'll have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing I will be able to answer your questions and show you the charts. Even if you think you don't have Skype, well, if you have a computer, you have Skype. Just click on this link. Now there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. If you remove any one of these, there's a good chance you will fail. Now there's 4 different packages. Do charge $250 each. I recommend buying all 4 packages. I do have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I will give 1 package for free. Now, the first package is the pip trigger system. This package does not include the super signal, which I highly recommend you get your hands on it. This super signal comes in the Easy Trader system, and the reason for that is when I put the videos together for the pip trigger, it was only 4 months later that I got the super signal indicator. So the videos were already done, and I'm not going to do all the videos all over again. So Pip Trigger system and how I trade live. Now this package puts all the pieces of the puzzle together, and there's a lot of advanced trading tips, and it should, I'm not saying it will, but it should help you to succeed at trading. I show you all the steps I go through as I'm trading. There's 20 training videos here and 22 training videos here. Each video is up to approximately 30 minutes long each. Now the last two, this is the daily trade plan for training videos and the super signal for training videos. So I highly recommend you get your hands and by the, on all four of them, and by the time you find success, it will take time and it will take quite a bit of education. So please keep that in mind. Spending a couple of $100 will not cut it. And if you've been trading for more than 2 years, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now if you continue to scroll down, I go through all four packages and what you get in it. Here it is right here. Look at all the different things that I teach. The more things that you learn, the better you will become as a trader. How I trade live, I give you a lot of trade examples, and as I mentioned, all the steps I go through as I'm trading. Here's the daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor, keep that in mind. It's not an indicator. And of course the super signal is an indicator. It goes in the indicator folder. So scrolling down, you can either pick up the phone and call me. You can send me an email. I'm in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. And there is another link right here. Please note that there are no refunds. Once you have it, you own it. So think twice before you wish to buy. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.